definitely one of the biggest achievements of my life, I have to say, but also one of the most challenging. And definitely by far the most humbling experience ever. And you're at homestays and rappelling waterfalls and being in Piedras Blancas with these awesome families.
The idea is to come to our program, and instead of staying in a nice hotel in Costa Rica, participants will end up doing homestays in a very, very remote village. Literally, the only way to get there is on foot. So our students are challenged physically, emotionally, and mentally just to get to and arrive at some of these remote village areas. But what they find really expands their horizon in a huge way.
I've learned that when I am sore and in pain, I can still hike 10 miles. So it was really cool to find out that I actually can do something like that when I never thought I'd be able to.
It's a big challenge that pushes yourself, and with the nature, and it's just so different than to be at home and without television and cell phone.
The views are incredible. I love animals and everything so much. Seeing all of the bugs and the monkeys and everything is so surreal.
You could just see like some beautiful beaches, and like the sun was coming down through the clouds. It's beautiful, and everyone just like, we had these huge smiles on our face, and it's so rewarding, that beautiful moment.